Hey, hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can create free social profile backlinks, right, using AI. So the first thing what we are going to do is we are going to go to perplexity.ai, right, and once we are on that website, you can sign up, right, and then all you have to do is write a query, right. So I wrote list some uncommon social sites where I can create user profile, right. So then what it does is it comes up with a list of all these websites which are basically social you can say social media websites, but for different niches, right. So we can just like for example, let's say Ravelry, right. So all we have to do is okay, here we can see the link also. Okay, it's not here. Let me go back. So Ravelry, we are going to do so search for Ravelry. So I have already signed up on the website. So once you sign up, you have a profile page, or you can go to your profile page here. You can edit your profile. So here once I press edit profile, I can then add my website here. So for example, say it's my website is, let's say, tactical.com, right. I can even add my blog, right, and then I can just I can even add here as well, right. I can add different, okay, no website, but I can add different other social profiles. I can add an about me, and then I can just save changes. And once I save changes, now basically this is my profile, right, and this is a public profile, right, and you have a backlink here to the website, right. So now you can do the same for other websites, right. So I'll go back to my prompt on Perplexity, and I can basically just just go to the different websites mentioned here, create a user profile, and add a link to my website, and that way I can create many backlinks. So if I click more, I get more suggestions for more websites, right. So I can create a lot of backlinks.